network to your Metamask, use a browser like Google Chrome or a Brave browser. In this case I'm using Brave browser. Go to this website or search it on Google by the name chainlist.org. Okay, the moment you come to this website, now you would see that there is a list of networks that you can add into the Metamask. Right now if you see, there is no Metamask here. Okay, so you go to this website, you search for Polygon Mainnet, you click on connect wallet. Okay, after you click on connect wallet, you have to click on add to Metamask. Okay, now you would see, as I have clicked on add to Metamask, it's asking me whether to approve or cancel. I'll click on approve, and you can click on switch network, right? So that's it, you have successfully added Polygon network into the list of supported networks in your Metamask. And please make sure you use this network before claiming our Conscious Buddy NFT. Thank you.